Nowadays, most of us using multiple accounts for social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, and TikTok, but we are not able to download multiple apps for multiple account. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clone apps for multiple accounts. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So today I'm using a Xiaomi phone for showing you. On this phone it is called clone apps, but different brand like OnePlus calls parallel apps. So you need to check your phone. First of all, go to settings and then tap on settings, and here swipe up for apps and tap on apps, and as you can see third option is dual apps. So just tap on dual apps. I already said it's a different name on different brand smartphone, so you need to find out that. So as you can see, here is three recommended apps for WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. I already created Facebook clone, so here showing I created. In this bottom side here showing supported apps for clone, and just I'm going to clone TikTok apps. So as you can see TikTok, just toggle to clone TikTok apps, and yeah, it's done, and it's called added to home screen as you can see. And another TikTok app, as you can see here is the main apps, and on the next side to copy clone apps, and here showing a yellow icon for it is clone. I'm going to clone another apps like Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Just tap on to, yes, it's also clone it. So it is pretty easy way to clone apps on your smartphone. So pretty much that's it. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.